Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. A devastating building collapse occurred in the Sector 7 area of Rohini, Delhi today, leaving at least 2 people feared trapped under the debris. The Delhi Fire Service received a call regarding the building collapse at 4:04 p.m. and 5 teams were immediately deployed to the site. According to officials, the collapsed building was a 2-story structure and reports suggest that some people may be trapped under the debris. Rescue operations are currently underway with multiple teams from various rescue agencies, including Delhi Police, the Fire Department, and the National Disaster Response Force working on the site. The area has been cordoned off to ensure safety, and the power supply has been shut off by the Electricity Department to prevent any untoward incidents. We have cordoned off the area to prevent any untoward incident. The power department has turned off electricity supply in the area, said a senior police officer. The Delhi Fire Service officials confirmed that at least 2 people are fear trapped and rescue teams are working tirelessly to locate and rescue them. We received a call at 4:04 p.m. and our teams are currently engaged at the site, said a fire department officer. The cause of the building collapse is yet to be determined and authorities are investigating the incident. The rescue operations are ongoing and officials are working to ensure the safety of those trapped and prevent any further accidents. The incident has raised concern about building safety and regulations in the city. As the rescue operations continue, the focus remains on saving those trapped and providing assistance to those affected. The authorities will need to investigate the cause of the collapse and take necessary steps to prevent such incidents in the near future.
मैं आर.के. सिन्हा, असिस्टेंट डिविजनल ऑफिसर दिल्ली फायर सर्विस से। करीब 4 बजे के आसपास कॉल मिला कि रोहिणी सेक्टर 7 एरिया में हाउस कोलैप्स हुई है। तो कॉल को डिपार्टमेंट ने रिसीव किया और जितने भी एजेंसी हैं गवर्नमेंट की, सारे अपने टाइम पे यहाँ पहुँचे और सर्च ऑपरेशन अभी चल रहा है जेसीबी की मदद से।
सर, कितने बजे की कुछ कॉल थी बता पाएंगे?
ये कॉल करीब 4:15 बजे के आसपास की।
तो कितने लोगों के फंसे होने की आशंका है यहाँ के बाद?
इन्होंने 4-5 लोगों की बताई कि 4-5 लोग यहाँ फंसे हुए हैं। तो जस्टिफिकेशन के लिए और क्लियर होने के लिए हमने जेसीबी वगैरह एमसीटी से मंगवाया, मैसेज दिया और अभी टाइम पे सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रही है।
That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.